So welcome to Delhi. I'm gonna explore Delhi and take you around Delhi, and gonna go to Noida too. So I'm gonna shot some Noida videos also. So let's start from the airport to Noida, from Noida to Delhi. So it's gonna be a fun videos from now. So stay tuned and enjoy my videos. Do like and subscribe, and thank you for showing love for me, and it's been good journey in YouTube till today. So hopefully I'm going to continue with good videos and entertain you guys, and little knowledgeable videos too. So start from here, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna do it in episode wise. So let's enjoy the videos. Take care.
Exit the roundabout onto Lucknow Road.
So India Gate. So finally we saw India Gate, and we're gonna go to hotel now. So we're really tired. So I'm gonna check in and then start a journey, my journey for Delhi. This is the hotel I'm gonna stay in Noida. So let's go in and see my room waiting for me. Let's go. This is the launch. Let's go. Enjoy now. Hungry. After seeing this, you get more hungry. So I'm gonna hit the starters first. So this is fish tikka. Looks juicy. Yum. Juicy. Let me taste the soup. This is palak, something called palak. Nice, refreshing. It's yum. So I'll get back to the main course now. So let's start with this now. So this will be my favorite. Start. So main course, this is mutton, Kashmiri mutton gosht. Not that expected, but okay, it's good. So let's try Thai yellow fish curry. This is nice with coconut and juicy fish. It's not sea fish, it's river fish. But yeah, nice. I like this. Let's taste some dessert. This is mousse, strawberry mousse. Too sweet, but the cream is yum. I like the cream. This is called as Kalakhand. Don't try this. But this is not Kala, it's white. It's called as Kalakhand. I don't know what is this called, but this is nice. Sweet, nice. Not too sweet, but nice. So till then, take care and do like and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you around Delhi. And please support. And I'm gonna get you a good content. So cheers, bye bye.